Hey everyone, welcome to today's new release. Today we actually have the blush purple floral kit. So this is a little bit of a contrast from last week's kit, which was completely like pink and coral. This one's more purple. So if you guys have a specific color scheme in mind that you want to see in the shop, make sure you leave that down in the description. Just tell me your favorite color and I will try to work them into my new releases and everything. So today we actually went with more of a purple tone. So here are the full boxes for those. As you guys can see, purples and lilacs for those of you who really love purple. This kit's probably for you. And then we have all of the other sheets. So here, let me go into them if you haven't seen them. So we have all of your icon sheets with your scripts, a whole bunch of icons, mini checklist, your sidebar sticker, and your main weekend banner. And then we have your checklists here for the kit that match the kit. You can also use these in any planner technically. And then there is the functional like boxes. So a whole bunch of boxes that you guys can grab for the appointment stickers, bill dues, habit trackers, half boxes, quarter boxes. Actually, all of these are quarter boxes. They're all around the same size. And then up here, there's like little like washi dividers that you guys can use. And then we have all of the washi and date headers. So here's a closer look at those date headers. There's actually two different versions of those, and then we have like all of your washi strips, so they go from like thicker to like thinner. So these two are the same size, and then the big ones are the same size as well, for those of you who just want to trim them down if you need to. Then we have like flags and your canceled and rescheduled stickers here. Lastly, if you're getting the deluxe sheet or a la carte version of these sheets, here is your decos. So I like using these to layer, and then you have your second weekend banner if you need one of those. Also, there are more like washi strips here, and then boxes as well. These are more like decorative, but you can always use them to write in if you need anything else. So yeah, those are all of those sheets. This one is the essential kit, by the way, and then these two pages come with a deluxe version, so it's like 2 extra pages. If you do go to the a la carte page, there are even more pages. So just go to the website. I will link all of those down in the description if you want to see everything available for this collection, such as the mini kit and the Hobonichi Weeks kits as well. A whole bunch of things are in the shop. So yeah, that is it for today though. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next week. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing for new releases. I will be out of town technically, so the video will be up automatically. But just letting you guys know, there should be something. If I will let everyone know, probably through like Instagram or the Facebook group. So make sure you check those. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.